3 levels of the 7th gate. 777. Every single level played in the 5 zone. 555. All levels connected at 99. 159, 159, 159. The center level comes back doubled. It goes 159 and 357 because now we connect to this side. We go 357. Why 1? Because this is the beginning. 159. Besides 9 is 8 and 8. Besides 8 is 7 and 7. And besides that is 6 and 6. 2 6s, 3 7s replacing the 5, and 2 8s. 16 and 21 is 37. Nibiru and 12 is 49. 7 by 7 equals 49, the 7th gate. It's all a numbers trick. That's all it is. 3 levels. Everything that equals to 10, which is 0 and 1 splitting everything in half, we're connecting. 159 is now 7, 7, 7, 21. It's also 10, 10, 10. All zeros equal 6 because the center to this point over here, left and right, is 1 and 1. My diameter, my own diameter to the left and my own diameter to the right. Just a little lost for a second. So you have 10, 10, 10. Your 0 equals 6 because the center was 6, but the ace plays from that position. Because the corner of every block moves into the next block and becomes the center. The corner 9 is now playing from the 5 center. 5 center is gone. The corner 9 playing from the 5 center, but it's the 1 spirit that plays from the center heart. The E, 2 above, 2 below. It's always 2 above, 2 below. It's eternal. If there's 2 above and 2 below, it's eternal. And then 2, 1, and then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 to 36, 12 rows. 12 rows brings you back to A and B again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 1 and 2, A and B. Not from 1, it's 1, then 2, okay? And then in between 2, it says I am 3 levels, because 1 is 3 levels. 1 is 1 level here, 1 level here, 1 level here, 1 straight light. When you come to B, you are in between the 1 and 3, which is in between the 2 lights, the left light 1 and the right light, okay, which is created by 1 through 2. 1 light goes into here and splits the 2, right? But the light only comes out in 5 because it has to be in between something. You need 360 degrees, 180 degrees. There's no top to the ocean. 360 degrees, it's got a tunnel to channel. 360, 3 and 6 is 9, and in between it goes 1, because the 1 goes around the 8 that surrounds the numbers, everything but 5, because 5 is the space for whatever channel's inside. So we had 6. So 6 actually gets the middle, 5 plus what goes inside of 5, because 5 is the whole, it's the circle. It equals to 40 of everything around it. 4 by 9 equals to 360. But actually it's 1.5 because the circle itself needs its own diameter. How much space does a ring take up? Right? Because once you make a circle, it's that whole diameter of that circle. You can't miss by a square. Do you know what I'm saying? If you get a square to go in, it doesn't go in. But the area for the square is lost. If you put a square all around the circle, you're going to have marks that are missing. But you still have to use the same area space. It's almost like showing this design over here. Here is the value of 5, right? But the thing is, that's not true, okay? Because here is the area of 5, but that's not really true. It's here and it's here. Now you have the area of 5 below. Now you make the area of 5 above. This is the area of 5. 22nd letter and 24th letter. This creates the O's, creates the, whichever way you want to go. But anyways, this is what creates this. It's an automatic. So now you have 6 in the center. So basically, I don't remember where I was with that. Yes, 159. So now you have these 3 angles, and on each row is 3. That's it. The center of everything is the continuous or the surrounding of the circle of 360 degrees, and what goes on. It's, I don't even know how to say this. It's weird because water flows, right? But there's the water's together for a reason. Otherwise, there's no water. Wouldn't it just be mist? But then there's a heat. So the water was boiling, so it's too hot to be in. But we need salt in the water that bring the brine, that bring the mind. We need to think. We need the electricity within our mind, but we need it to flow. We need the rivers. We need the rivers between the mountains to cool the energies of the earth. Then we need all these other things to put everything together, and I'm offline right now. I was at Area 51. But remember, 2, 3, 4 equals to 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 3, 7 times 3. 7 times 3, 6, 7 plus 3 is 31. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 equals 3 and 4. DC. 7 equals 6 and 1. This is equal to the moon. Nibiru is the one that controls that. Don't count 9, 10, 11. Begin counting your pull balls at 12 when red and blue come together. When red and blue come together, it's 1, 2, 3 in the horses. When red and blue come together, it's 2 and 3 in pull. 1 and 2 is actually the yellow. 2 is the 12 ball. 1 and 2 creates that 3. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2. 0, 4 is actually 6 and 4. 6 and 4 is 10. 0 equals 6. 10 becomes 16. 1 and 6 is 7. We get to Nibiru on the 12 ball. The purple ball, the red, and the blue come together. The energy of Nibiru. 1, 2, 3. This one over here, this is what's coming. Don't forget, before you get to 10 and out of the 0, you must automatically be at 11. Minimum. Minimum. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 and 2. So where have you gone? 1 and 2, you went right here. This one will create this one. Then we create this one, then we create this one. So where does it start? 1 and 1 is B, B2. And it all begins on 2, 5, 8, 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 8, 5, 8, 8 to 11. What's in between? 9 and 10, or 25. 0 equals 6, 16 and 9, 25. 25 and 19, 44. That's where we stand, and Nibiru is on the way. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Have a nice day.